Hello, my friends. Good evening. This is me showing up in this space since morning. So, the man of the house wasn't around, so it was a bit difficult for me leaving the keys at home to go out. When I woke up this morning, I found out that we have nothing at home to eat. So, I have to call my daughter, ask them to stay together so that I'll go get this bread you're seeing I'm eating now. Go get it in the morning and tea. So, that was what we took this morning. After that, I have to birth my kids and rush down to the market to get something to cook, which is ohia, for and the rest of the other things. It actually took me time though to come back due to I have to go and look for fuel because I have no fuel that will sell. And unfortunately, the two filling station I normally buy fuel from, they did not open. And they told me that at the express too, that the filling station NNPC did not have fuel. That was like wow. So it took me time before coming back. But when I came back, unfortunately, my son has messed up everywhere with shit. I have to start cleaning again before I start the cooking. When I was done cleaning all that, I have to give him some bread to allow him let me be. After settling him and his siblings, I dive to the kitchen and start cooking. First thing, I wash my kanda and my fish, set my fire, then place in my pot and put my kanda and fish, then add my pepper, seasoning cubes, salt, and add a little water, stir to cook and cover my pot, blow my fire, allow to cook for some minutes, then open my pot, add enough water, allow to boil before I now went ahead to wash my crayfish and pan together with my okpehe, then mix my ofo with my red oil together and select my oha, wash together and set aside. Actually, when I was at the market buying my things and also on the road going to the filling station to buy fuel, I remember the incident that happened, how my daughter opened the gas cylinder, started leaking. So I was like, God, I beg, help me to protect these children. Do not allow their mindset to go back to that gas cylinder or anything that will hurt them. Make them stick together, make them unite. They should not fight, no blood stain, no head hanging between the protectors. My mind was in arrest because leaving the kid alone and to run some errand is really not good. It's a very risky something. If you have kids, you will understand what I mean. The stress it takes getting the children together when you are with them. If you leave them on their own to stay together, you will be scared. You will say, if you are there, they will do all these things. What about when you are not around? What will happen? So you will not be comfortable. Wherever you are, you will be uncomfortable. You'll be doing fast to come back and meet them just to be sure they are safe. So later on, I brought out my fish to avoid sea finish. You should know what I mean now.
On your face, and do the goody dance, put a smile on your face.
After a few minutes, my water start boiling. Then I start adding my ofo into the water to dissolve. Then I stir, cover, and allow it to boil very well before adding other ingredients. So after it has boiled very well, I open and turn completely to avoid the offal sticking in the pot before I went in with my crayfish mixture with seasoning cubes, salt to taste more, then I stir completely. Next was my fish, though I forgot to add my oha. After I covered, then I remembered that I have not added my oha and I went back to add my oha, allow it to cook for a few minutes and I brought it down, add my drinking water to boil, then I took the soup inside, dish ours and settle down to eat. So my friend, if you have not yet given me a follow, please do well too.
Smile on your face and do the goody dance. Put a smile on your face. Do the goody dance, do the goody dance. Smile on your face and do the goody dance.
Thanks for your like, comment, and sticking with me till the end of this video. Bye bye.